Ask a question, get an answer. Now, if you know anything about this channel, you know I love answering questions from the community. So thank you for this question that came up about an app that I recently made a video about that I'm absolutely in love with. And the app is made by Ali Abdul, and it is called VoicePal. And here is the question. So, hey, Wirequake said, how do you transfer the notes you've taken in VoicePal out onto another external platform like Claude or any other note-taking app, or onto your desktop? Well, Mr. D, I checked. I know exactly how to do this, and this is really cool, and this is going to help you out and hopefully help out somebody else. Now, before we dive into that, let's talk about what VoicePal is. VoicePal is an application that allows you basically to talk to your phone and record yourself as it helps you think through the process of generating scripts. Now, these scripts, the way I normally use it, are for YouTube, but you can use it for helping you write newsletters, helping you write journals, Substack posts, so forth, so on, etc. Think of it like using one of the standard issue AI platforms, but a little bit more smart because it asks you deeper, thought-provoking questions that can help you hone in that process to make sure you're delivering the best value to your people. Now, I don't have an affiliate link or anything, but I will put a link to VoicePal. Actually, I do have an affiliate link. I will put a link to VoicePal in the description, and it will give you, I believe, a 14-day trial, and it just like gives me a little bump if you decide to purchase. Anyway, let's put that down in the comment section below, or in the first comment, or in the description. You know how this works. Let me get back to what I'm supposed to be doing. Anyway, so let me show you what VoicePal looks like. I'm going to bring it up here on the phone, and here's the VoicePal app. And basically, I won't re-show you how to use VoicePal because, well, I already did that. That's in a different video. But to answer his question is, say I wanted to use this particular note here. At the very top, there is 3 little buttons. It's really faint and hard to see, but right after the word content up here at the top, if I press upon that, it gives me a chance to edit the title, but then you can share the transcript. You can copy the transcript. I'm going to hit copy first to show you one of the options. You can copy the raw transcript. That means what you said verbatim. That's cool. You can also copy the clean transcript, meaning that the VoicePal AI has gone in and fixed up the conversation and picked out the good jiggly bits and used that to write something else. You could also archive that or delete it. Don't delete it. Now, I'm going to show you something else that you can do, and this is what's really cool about doing it with your phone. I'm going to hit share transcripts, and under share transcripts, I'm going to scroll over here to the side. And you see, I have Notion right there. I could use Notion, but I'm going to hit on the more option, and I'm going to press at the top where it says edit. And under the edit option, I'm going to add Notion to make sure it shows up every time. I'm also going to scroll down and add ChatGPT, scroll down a little bit more. And I believe I have Claude in here. I'm going to add Claude because I already have those on my computer. Okay, I even could add Substack if I wish, but in this case, I'm going to choose not to. And so now when I scroll across to these apps, if I hit more, you'll see I have my favorites there. Now I can even rearrange these so that Claude goes to the front. Let's do ChatGPT. I'll actually put Notion to the front for my use case, and then we'll leave it like that. And so now whenever we want to share one of these apps, those will be the first options that show up in the share sheet as you get ready to do your thing. This is really cool. So now the next time you're ready to share one of these notes, you can click upon the 3, hit on the share transcript, and use Claude, ChatGPT, Apple Notes, whatever you have set up in that platform. And remember, any app that you want to add that's on your phone that has this functionality and you don't see it, scroll all the way to the right, click on the more button, and then if you just want to do it once, you could press. But if you want to edit it so your things in the right order, hit the edit button, slide things around however you want them, and call that a day. And you know what they say in the industry, but wait, there's more. Now, this is something that I love to do. A lot of people don't think about it, and not all apps work because they're formulated for your finger and a touchscreen, but most iPad apps will run on an M1, M2, M3, M4, and soon to be M5 Mac, easy as pie. So let me show you how to do that. Pop over to the App Store. Okay, and in the search box, we are going to type in the word VoicePal. Or actually, I'll just paste it in because I already did it. Okay, and you want to hit that. Now, when you look under Mac apps, you're not going to see anything. But right here at the top, you can see where it says iPhone and iPad apps. And then you'll see that you have your VoicePal, your AI ghostwriter there. So if I didn't have it already installed in this Mac, I would hit this button and it would install it. But I already have it installed in my Mac. And yeah, it doesn't render well for the screen share because it's intended to be small, but it looks perfectly fine on my computer because my computer can render it. And this would be basically the same thing. I would click on one of these guys, hit the 3 little buttons, and then I could do share the transcript, copy the transcript, and it's going to be exactly the same functionality as your phone or your iPad, just built onto your computer. So there it is. Now, you know what I say around here, other than my man, Mr. Quick, I don't know who needed to hear this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to check out VoicePal, do me a favor, support the channel by using the affiliate link that I have down in the bottom below. Not a sponsored video, but I just like to answer questions because, hey, my man had a good question. So that is how you take the transcripts out of VoicePal and use them in whatever function you want. And one I'm going to probably play with the most is Notion AI because I just turned on Notion AI, but that'll be a whole separate video. So if you want to check that out, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another one of these videos. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video that think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in talk.